Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Java string replacement can be tricky when the loop never ends. We need to find which input causes this specific method to fail its task. The code uses a while loop that keeps running as long as the index of string A is not -1. It replaces A with B and then searches again.
If string A and string B are exactly the same character, the index of A will never change after the replacement. This creates an infinite loop that never terminates.
In choice E, we replace C with C. The index stays at 0 forever, so the method fails. That makes option E our final winner. Well done! Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Avoid the rush and watch signs. Trust the given and check your steps.